Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might need to move your Avalanche tokens from Coinbase Wallet to Metamask. This is a common task, especially in 2025 when blockchain tech is evolving fast. Today, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can do it yourself without any hassle. First off, why bother? Metamask gives you more control and access to decentralized apps on the Avalanche network, making it a go-to for serious crypto users. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and make sure you're logged in. Navigate to your asset list and find your Avalanche, AVAX, balance. Double-click on it to access the send option. Before you proceed, head over to Metamask. If you haven't already, install it as a browser extension or app. Once in Metamask, switch to the Avalanche network. You can do this by clicking on the network dropdown and selecting Avalanche C-Chain. Now, copy your Metamask wallet address. That's the long string of letters and numbers you'll need. Back in Coinbase Wallet, paste this address into the To field. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Hit the Send button and review the transaction details carefully. This is crucial. Always double-check the address to prevent sending your crypto to the wrong place, which could mean permanent loss. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes for the transfer to complete due to network congestion. Finally, hop back to Metamask and refresh your wallet to see your AVAX arrive. And there you have it. Your Avalanche tokens are now in Metamask. If you run into any issues, check the official docs or reach out to support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.